Retire like a genius.
How to become a long-term care genius. Ways to pay for long-term care when you need it now. Long-term care is a topic most people don't want to think about, and way too few people are financially prepared for the expensive costs of home care, assisted living communities, memory care, and nursing home care. But the reality is that 70% of people over the age of 65 will need to pay for long-term care services in their lifetime. For the lucky few that have long-term care insurance or enough money to pay out of pocket for what they need, they'll be able to choose the type of care and location that they want. So, what can people do if they don't have the ability to pay for these services at the time they need them? Many people don't realize that they actually have access to a variety of funding resources that could be sitting in their hands right now. So here are financial options to consider when you need to pay for long-term care now. 1. Life settlements. Sell off an unneeded or unwanted life insurance policy to access tax-advantaged funds that can be used to pay for any form of long-term care. 2. Reverse mortgage. A loan taken out against the equity in a home without the need to make monthly loan payments that can be used to pay for home care services. 3. VA aid and attendance benefit. Veterans and/or a spouse can access a monthly benefit to pay for long-term care costs if they meet eligibility requirements. 4. Annuities. Annuities can be used to create a guaranteed monthly income to help pay for long-term care services for the remainder of a person's life. 5. Senior bridge loans. A loan to pay for care that's needed today, taken out to bridge the time it takes to sell a home to fund care for the long term. 6. True Freedom Plan. A prepaid membership plan that will cover different levels of hours of home care services in the future when they are needed. It's important for people to do all they can to prepare for their future retirement and long-term care needs. But for those who have not adequately prepared and are now facing an immediate need for care, they have more financial options available to them than they may have realized.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.